Hi, it's Carrie.
And Sydney.
And it's your cocktail of the week.
Woohoo.
We're going a little spicy.
We're going spicy again. She is trying to take me down.
I will be satisfied when you have some sort of coronary event. I'm just going to do one cocktail. I'll just do one little jalapeno piece.
I think you're going to need that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Don't you want to do two?
Okay.
All right, we'll do 2 jalapenos. We're going to muddle those at the bottom of our shaker.
Ever since we came out with the firecracker, I'm like on board for the heat.
I love a spicy cocktail.
Yeah,
I just love it. They're so unique. They always turn out a little differently. Okay, so you add the ice right on top of the muddled jalapeno. We are going to add 3 ounces of the LGC Classic Margarita.
Excellent.
Right on top.
Ooh, I can smell the jalapenos.
So nice. And then Whole Foods makes this lovely carrot orange juice. That's why it's this great color.
I'm so excited to try this with this. I'm fascinated.
I love the carrot orange because it kind of mellows out the orange flavor, so it's a little bit less sweet.
Yeah.
So this will be good.
I love it.
All right, give that a nice little shake.
Excellent.
Get it nice and cold and nice and spicy. And then just pour over ice. And I hope it doesn't kill you.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
Isn't that a pretty color?
Oh, we're gonna garnish with a little bit of what?
Oh yeah, I have a cute little cilantro leaf because it makes it smell just like you're in the garden or something.
Oh, I love it.
Where's a pretty one? There. Okay.
Nice.
All right, you don't have to have that salad in your mouth.
Cheers. Oh, it's fantastic. I actually really like carrot orange, so I'm like, I am in. It is very earthy and really yummy. You guys are gonna love this one.
Good. Cheers.